In today's busy world, health is something most people forget. There is a team that gives importance to your health at least as much as you do. It's every person's natural right to receive treatment whenever it's needed. Medical Park is Turkey's most widespread chain of hospitals and has the policy of health for everybody. Medical Park takes pride in its professionalism in the health sector and aims to meet the changing needs of patients by continually improving itself. Medical Park offers health services to international standards with its renewed clinics, expanding and expert academic staff, medical equipment of the latest technology, and a patient-centered approach to healthcare that leads to the most modern diagnosis and treatment methods. Samsun Medical Park Hospital in Turkish Atakum is on the road to Sinop, 20 kilometers from the airport in Çarşamba. It boasts an area of 18,600 square meters, with one health center, 8 operation rooms, 2 delivery rooms, and 179 beds, of which 69 are intensive care. Patients benefiting from the health services offered at Medical Park can meet all their needs in one health centre, may find diagnoses and treatment to international standards, and may rest assured that any question marks on their mind will be answered swiftly. The Accident and Emergency Department, which supports all of the hospital's health services, is opened and manned 24 hours a day by an emergency services consultant doctor. Equipped with the latest medical equipment, it adopts a multidisciplinary approach to not lose any valuable time in the initial treatment and observation of the patient. Ambulances belonging to the hospital provide uninterrupted, fast and reliable transfers to and from the hospital 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our hospital's dental department provides services to all patients of any age by dentists on duty 24/7. The dental department has been given a high priority over the last few years, with popular treatments like implantations and aesthetic ceramic dentistry reaching the very highest standards. In our brain and neurosurgery department, we can diagnose and treat adult and pediatric patients by using the very latest technology. Specialist health professionals and the technological infrastructure necessary for complex surgical procedures result in a trustworthy and top-quality service of international standards. Our hospital is the first in Turkey among private health providers to provide a fully equipped diagnosis and treatment centre. In our children's blood clinic, treatments are available for the widespread anemia and acute malignant leukemia diseases, as well as for rarer conditions by our academic medical staff. In our children's oncology clinic, the approach to the treatment of tumours in youngsters is multidisciplinary. Our children's bone marrow treatment unit is equipped with devices of the latest technology to help patients regain their health. Our transplantation centre is accredited by the European Bone Marrow Transplantation Group. In our dermatology clinic, consultant doctors are there to treat such skin conditions as acne, psoriasis, vitiligo, Behçet's disease, allergies, and to apply hair replacement therapy. In our endocrinology and metabolism diseases clinic, diabetes, obesity, thyroid and parathyroid diseases, pituitary and adrenal gland diseases, lipid diseases, and all metabolic diseases are diagnosed, and treatments are carried out by our specialist and academic staff. In our hospital's plastic surgery clinic, all aesthetic operations, cosmetic procedures, and treatments of plastic surgery are carried out by specialist staff using the latest technological equipment. In our physical therapy and rehabilitation clinic, the latest devices and approaches are used by experienced and specialist physiotherapists to treat pain in muscles, the skeleton, and joints caused by various diseases, sports injuries, and other reasons. What's more, paralysis, imbalance, and walking disorders are also dealt with professionally by experts in their field. The main aim of our department is the treatment of patients' muscular and skeletal pains and any related functional disorders. Moreover, it is to improve their quality of life and to help those whose social life or physical functioning has been impaired. In our ophthalmology clinic, the latest technology and approaches are used to treat any kind of damage that can cause a variety of problems, like the obstruction of sight. In our clinic, such conditions as cataract, strabismus, retinal detachment, and lens diseases are treated by experienced doctors using the latest medical and surgical devices. In our gynecology and obstetrics clinic, all of the conditions related to the health of a woman, like pre- and postnatal care, the menopause, and every woman's nightmare, gynecological cancer, are treated with the latest equipment and methods. In our cardiology clinic, as well as treatments like a pacemaker, an angioma, and a balloon and stent, there are precautionary examinations like echocardiography, stress test, rhythm and blood pressure holter that can diagnose heart disease at an early stage and eliminate the possibility of developing such a condition. In our heart and vascular surgery clinic, bypass operations are performed with a functioning heart so as to ensure our patients can tolerate the procedure. Congenital valve disease, aortic and peripheral vascular surgery, and varicose vein surgery is performed by specialist and academic staff using the latest technology. In our neurology clinic, cerebrovascular disease, muscular, nerve and memory diseases, headaches, epilepsy and other neurological diseases are treated with the aid of EMG and EEG tests. Nuclear medicine is a branch of medicine that provides for the safe and painless imaging of any part of the body. It provides detailed information about the functioning of any body part, helpful for the diagnosis, treatment and follow-up of serious diseases. A PET-CT and the latest technological devices are available in our clinic. In the hospital's oncology department, The patient's method of treatment is discussed in the tumour council, where the most suitable one is decided upon and carried out at the hospital. Chemotherapy treatment is prepared individually in our hospital and is administered in an atmosphere designed to relax the patient. Radiotherapy is carried out with a multidisciplinary approach by using the very latest equipment. The radiology clinic boasts the latest devices to provide radiological imaging for all patients to support diagnosis and treatment. Moreover, all images are transferred to the PACS system, which allows them to be examined in any medical park hospital. In our test tube baby unit at Medical Park, detailed tests and examinations are performed with the latest devices. After the reason for not getting pregnant is made clear, all of the resources of modern medicine are used to find a solution to the problem. The intensive care unit houses the most critical patients needing the most sensitive care. Our specialist medical staff work with specialists from other departments in a multidisciplinary, patient-centred, quality and trustworthy manner. In the hospital's newly born baby unit, a consultant newly born baby physician works with specialist paediatricians and experienced medical personnel with the latest equipment to make sure the baby gets better. The unit contributes to the demand for such services from local districts. These days, the importance of the laboratory is more than it was in the past. Our clinicians work hard to analyze tests on time, carefully and correctly. Our hospital's biochemistry and pathology labs are equipped with the latest technological devices and have academic staff and experienced personnel to man them. Our hospital has an executive board that meets every week to ensure services are provided speedily, without interruption, and to the highest quality. It aims to constantly improve our quality of service. Our passion is to provide the very highest quality of service by experienced professionals in their field, always and in every condition. You are not alone.